Welcome back. We have successfully set up our Twitter account. Now we are ready to start with the Twitter advertising. Before we start our first campaign on Twitter, it is very important to understand the interface of Twitter ad account. So let us start understanding the interface of Twitter ad account. Further, we will also see that what is the eligibility criteria to start your advertisement on Twitter. As I said, similar to Facebook and Google Ads, we can use the Twitter for advertising purpose. So let us see how to use the Twitter for advertising purpose, how to set up the account, and what is the eligibility criteria to start your advertisement on Twitter. Now right now I am in my Twitter account. From here you can see from more, we have option of Twitter ads. Just click on Twitter ads. Now we are on a new page, and in future you want to directly go to the Twitter ads. You have to just log into ads.twitter.com. But now there is one problem. You can see there is one message displayed by Twitter, and that message is your account is ineligible to participate in Twitter ad programs. Now if my account is ineligible, then how can I start with Twitter advertisements? So it means first of all we have to see what is the eligibility criteria to participate in the advertisement on Twitter. So let us discuss what is the Twitter ads eligibility criteria. When your account will be eligible to participate in the Twitter ads. The very first point is that you should have the public profile and not a private account. So it simply means that if my account is a private account on Twitter, I will not be able to participate in the Twitter ads. The second is your Twitter account should be more than 15 days old. So I think recently we have created our Twitter accounts. If the time period is less than 15 days, then we will not be able to participate in the Twitter ads. That simply means we have to wait for 15 days so that we can participate in the advertisement on Twitter. The third point is there have to be some tweets and basic engagement before you can start advertising. If I will immediately sign up for Twitter and I will not be eligible for Twitter ads, there should be some sort of engagement. I should share some tweets, I should retweet, I should like few tweets. It simply means that there should be some sort of activity on the Twitter. So now I will suggest you that we have already signed up for the Twitter account, to start using your Twitter account so that in future you can participate in Twitter ads. The next point is your Twitter profile should have the proper profile plus header image, not a GIF image, and the website address in the bio section. In the previous video, I discussed with you that we should properly organize our account on the Twitter. It should have your profile picture, header image, and or other details if really we want to participate in the Twitter ads. When you will design your advertising campaign on Twitter, as usual, there are so many objectives that you have to select. So but first let us see what these objectives are and how to use these objectives in our advertising campaigns. So as this account is not eligible for advertisement, so I will take you to the new account. This is my old account, and from here I am managing my Twitter ads. So let us see how to begin with the Twitter advertising. Just click on more. You will find the Twitter ads here. Click on Twitter ads and see. This is the interface of Twitter advertisement account. In your case, you will not see this type of interface, or you will not see this type of page when first time you will logged into your Twitter advertisement account. So for this purpose, first of all you have to set your Twitter account, and here it is important that you have to give the payment details. Either you can add your credit card or you can add your bank details. If you will not give your banking details here, you will not be able to reach to this page. So I have already set up my account for Twitter advertisements. So let us see what this account is all about. So whenever we have to create any Twitter campaign, so we have this option here, create campaigns. You can create the campaign here. Let me click on this one. So as usual, we have to first of all set our campaign objective for our campaign. So this is not new thing for you. We have already discussed in our Facebook as well as in Google Ads that first of all we have to set our campaign objective before starting any advertisement campaign. So here you can see we have 8 types of objectives, and I'm going to talk about these objectives one by one. After that we will start with designing our Twitter campaigns. The very first thing, we have the tweet engagements. So in this case, if you want to maximize the engagement of your tweets and get more people talking about your business, then you can select this very objective for your Twitter campaign. Just click on this one. So you will find the more details about this very objectives. So I'm not going to use all these options as of now, but I will briefly explain when we should use this type of objective. As I said, this is related to the tweet engagements. So in this case, you will simply promote your tweet. So you will promote your tweet to start the conversation with the audience you want. And research shows that increased engagement leads to the brand lift and offline sales. So whenever the objective is just you want to promote your brand only, and you are not specifically looking for website traffic or conversions, then this very objective is very appropriate. So what you pay for? In this case, you will pay only for the initial engagements. When the first time, when any person will share your tweet, he will like your tweet, only then you will pay for it. But after that, once a person has shared the tweet, if any other person is liking, sharing or retweeting your tweet, then you will not be charged for that. So this is a good objective to set for when the objective is to promote your brand. Now let us see what is the second objective. The second objective is about to promote video views. So when you want to see that more and more people should watch your videos, and then this objective is an appropriate objective. So let us see more about this very objective. So in this case, you promote your videos to reach to the target audience and to engage with the audience. Your videos will autoplay on scroll, encouraging the people to tap or click. But the question is, when will you pay for your videos? Pay for number of promoted video views. It means the more number of views for your videos, you will be charged more for that. And when to use it? You want more and more people to see your GIF or the video formats. So in simple words, if you have any video, for example, any video related to your corporate social responsibility, any video related to your product launch, then this type of objective is an appropriate one. So just try to use this one. Now let us go to the another type of objective. Third objective here is the awareness. So as the name suggests, in this case, you want many people as possible to see your tweet. When you want to promote your product or you want to promote your business or a brand, you just want to create the awareness about your brand, then this objective is very useful. As it is written here, if you want to promote your tweet to maximize your reach and raise the awareness about your brand's message, then you can use this objective. So what you will pay for? Here you will be charged on the basis of cost per impressions, which is called the CPM. You will be charged on the basis of 1000 impressions. It simply means that when your tweet will be visible for 1000 times, then you will be charged for that. So this is called the CPMs. And when you should use it, you want as many people as possible to see your tweet. It's the same thing that I have already discussed with you. So let us look for another type of objective. Then we have the website clicks, or conversions. In this case, when you really want that people should visit your website and they should click on certain items in your website, then you can select this type of objective. So click on this one to know more about this very objectives. So in this case it says when you want to promote your tweets to people who will visit and take the action on your website. So you will be paid for what? You will pay for the number of website link clicks. So it is similar to our pay-per-click type of advertisement. You will be charged for when people will click on your tweet or link embedded in a particular tweet. So this type of objective is set when you want people to visit and take an action on your website. For example, to download a paper or to make a purchase from your website. Now let us look at another objective. Now this type of objective is the in-stream video views, or you can say the pre-roll. Let us see what it is. I think you might have noticed many times when we are watching the videos, in between there are ads. So this objective is set for such type of advertisements. That is why it is said in-stream video views. With this objective, you can run in-stream videos ads before the videos by popular creators and the publishers. And your video will run alongside the premium content to reach and engage the audience. And how will you be charged for this one? You will pay for number of in-stream video views. Simple. It is very simple. You will be charged on the basis of number of views for your videos. Now when to use it? If you want to pair your videos with the premium content, then there cannot be a better objective than this one. Let us look at another type of objective. This is the followers. So in the beginning of this module, I said that followers are the basis for your Twitter marketing, and they are very key to the Twitter marketing process. So in this case, if you want to build and engage the audience to amplify your message on and off the Twitter, then you can choose this very objective for your campaign. In this case, your followers amplify your message on and off the Twitter. Promote your account to build and engage the audience. And in this case, you will be paid for only for the follower you gain. You are not billed for other type of engagements. So in this case, the people will follow you and only then you will be charged for that. If any person will like your tweet or he or she will retweet, then you will not be charged in this case. So it's a very good objective to create or to grow the follower base for your Twitter advertisement. Now let us have few more objectives. Then it's the app install. I think you can guess it what is the app install objective before I explain it. As the name suggests, in this case this objective is a very good objective when you want to promote your app installs. Let us see what more is there in this very objectives. So in this case, you promote your tweet to an audience likely to install an app. In this case, how will you be charged for? So you will be charged on the basis of number of app clicks or installs. It is a good opportunity to promote your app installs and you can use this very objectives. So let us look at the last objectives. This is the app re-engagement. So when you want your existing user to open and use your app, then you can use this very objectives. So it is some sort of similar to the remarketing. So promote your tweet to an audience likely to engage with your app and you will be charged for pay for the number of app clicks. We will talk more about these objectives maybe in the future. So let us come back. So we have discussed all the objectives here. My idea was just to give you an overview of all types of objectives that we are going to use under our Twitter campaigns. So this was the basic interface of Twitter ad account. We discuss in detail what are various objectives that you can set for various advertising campaigns. In the next module, I will talk about how to design the Twitter ad campaigns. Just join me there.